This is Ben and this is Tom. They're both 18, equally qualified and equally happy. They even both have the same job at the same company, making $60,000 a year. There is but one difference. Ben was brought up in a family that taught him to save his money for retirement, so he's planning to set aside 10% of his income and put it in a savings account. On the other hand, Tom isn't interested in saving, not unless he's saving for something specific, like a holiday or a new car. They're chatting at work one day and things start getting competitive. Ben, confident in his savings plan, bets Tom that he'll be a lot richer than him in 30 years' time. Tom boldly accepts the bet and they get back to work. 1 year passes and of course Ben has a nice $6,000 saved. Tom's got nothing, but he's not worried. Tom's been a busy bee. Throughout the year, he's been educating himself about finance, money, and how the system works. After cancelling a few subscriptions and deciding to go out for dinner a lot less, he calculates that he can also afford to put away 10% of his income. But it's not going in the bank. Tom's gonna start investing. He's gonna be buying small fractions or shares in the S&P 500. Let's fast forward 10 years and see how they're getting on. It looks like Ben's saved up an entire year's salary, $60,000. Well done, Ben. What's just 9 years of investing done for Tom? Whoa, Tom's got $75,870, even though he's been doing this for a year less. Ben's got some catching up to do, but he does have some exciting news. Ben's received a promotion, and from now on he'll be able to save $7,000 a year. Let's skip ahead 20 years this time and take a look at Ben's bank account. Wow, Ben's got exactly $200,000 after 10 years of saving $6,000 a year and 20 years of saving $7,000. How about Tom? Tom's been investing his money for 29 years. His money has been compounding at a rate of 8% on average each year, but he's still putting in that same old $6,000 a year. Tom's total balance at the end of all of this is $657,664.